So the task given in this course was to create something autobiographical, so something that somehow was connected to you.
Make something that is about yourself in some way.
Or a problem in our own life that we thought we could try and solve with something that we made ourselves.
Sometimes I sit down and I'm like, I want to do items of my to-do list, but I don't know which ones because sometimes you just don't want to do a task and then I procrastinate.
One thing that I am is I'm quite an expressive, emotional as well being. I myself don't see crying as a weakness, and I wanted to bring that message across.
So I created a tool for tools, which I think is interesting because making stuff which people could make more stuff with is always interesting.
My project right now, it's not really a physical to-do list, it's more like a to-do randomizer. Like you write down a few tasks and then you throw a ball down the machine, which works as a kind of a randomizer, and then it randomly picks one of the tasks for you to do.
The project that I ended up making is this flower which has two water sensors. So basically when you're crying you can either like save your tears in a bottle and place it on the sensor which will make the flower react to it, or you can use your tears directly and put them on one of the water sensors, and as a result from that the flower will bloom.
It's kind of a crazy idea, as you can see. A rotating tool holder for on your arm. You have the inner part that does not rotate and the outer part that does rotate. So there is like one bearing that can make this thing rotate. And it's actually powered by this little motor here, you can see. And I activate it by pressing this button here and tilting my hand either left or right, as you can see. And this gives me the ability to select a tool, for example, this screwdriver. And then I'll do this, and now I have a screwdriver.
So especially now that I have more experience with hands-on designing, actually, I really want to take this like a steps further and get more into it.
I learned quite a lot in this course. The main thing was doing a full design iteration on my own, because usually I did these kinds of projects in teams.
I really like the learning and the studying or writing code online, but also really thinking out a physical product, sketching it. It's something that I learned that I really like, and that's maybe something that I'm also going to look for in a future job as a result.